Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of the IKEA vlog. There were so many different types of mats, rugs and carpets. And now we enter the light section. I'm looking for the ceiling track lights to keep in my bedroom. There were these Christmas themed lights as well. Well, I made it to the ceiling track lights section. There were so many different types of night lamps. And now we head into the photo frames and clock section. There were so many different and unique types of clocks and photo frames for your paintings and etc. Now we head into the fake plants section. There were so many different types of hanging plants, fake leaves. I decided to get a pair of these hanging leaves for my bed. This is the warehouse section, which is the last section before the billing, where most of the items would be on sale or items which you would not find in the before sections. There were so many different types of outdoor seating arrangements, chairs, tables. So guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.